This installation is the laser scanner. The concept of it is that we are using a laser to try and find one of the lost reindeers. There's multiple sections in this installation. It scans up and down, it actually finds something wrong within the installation, and there's a little error notes will come up, and then again it proceeds to find the actual reindeer. When it finds the reindeer, everything's happy, and there's a little light show at the end of it, and it's really great. Look at it, it's pretty cool. It's been quite enjoyable programming this laser. Obviously, normally what we do is laser scanning for clubs or gigs or events, whereas this is we're laser mapping certain objects, which is like the reindeer and the hare. It's really cool. It pushes us to do different things. The laser is really cool, and the software we're using is quite intuitive, so it's fairly straightforward to do. I've been in a dark box trying to do it blind, so there's certain difficulties. Surprisingly, it's actually harder to map it at night because you can't see the shape of it. Luckily, we've got quite a powerful laser, so we're able to map it in the day and be able to see them in its entirety, which is quite surprising. But it's been really great. It looks really cool. You can see the full depth of the trees when it scans through it. So yeah, really good. My favorite installation because it's mine.